This is Pioneer's DMH-241EX. This is a 2-DIN digital media receiver with a 6.2-inch touchscreen and built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The Bluetooth system is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It can play back videos and music from a USB flash drive. There are RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers, and it has a 13-band graphic EQ. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we'll just pop this one open. And the first thing we get here is the hardware pack here. We're going to open up this hardware pack to get the stuff inside. And first thing we get is the wire harness. Whoop, get it out of there. There we go. This is the wire harness. This is for connecting power and ground and all the electrical connections from the in-dash receiver over to your vehicle. And also in this hardware pack is the Bluetooth microphone. Now the Bluetooth microphone here is used for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls. It comes on a wire about 10 feet long or so for very flexible installation. And we also have the input-output RCA wire harness. And this has your RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers, and also has backup camera and video output. We'll give you a more careful look at this, this RCA video input-output wire harness in just a moment later in the video. Also here we have some installation screws. There's a handful of install screws there. And we have the wireless remote control. There's the wireless remote control included in the box. And we have some documents here. Here is the owner's manual and the warranty card here. And remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual for this product right onto your cell phone in PDF form from pioneerelectronics.com. Now let's pull the receiver up out of here. There we go. The DMH-241EX is a digital media receiver. This means it doesn't play CDs or DVDs. And as you can see, the shallow chassis opens a lot of interesting installation options in different vehicles. The front panel of the DMH-241EX has the volume control here. The home button is here. The USB port is right here on the front panel. You can use this to play back music and movies from a USB flash drive, or to charge your phone. This is a digital media receiver, and it does not play CDs or DVDs. You'll do most of your interaction with the in-dash receiver with the 6.2-inch touchscreen. On the back panel of the Pioneer DMH-241EX, we'll start off with the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle, and that'll plug in right here. This jack is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone for making hands-free Bluetooth phone calls, and the microphone is included with the in-dash receiver. This one is for using your vehicle's steering wheel controls to operate the receiver with the use of an optional third-party steering wheel control adapter. The RCA input and output wire harness will plug into the white port here, and we'll take a closer look at that input-output wire harness in just a moment. This is the 3.5mm auxiliary input jack. It can be used to play back audio and video through the in-dash receiver. And finally, the wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The Pioneer DMH-241EX has a built-in amplifier that's designed to operate up to 4 speakers in your vehicle. Now, let's take a look at the input-output wire harness. Here are the front and rear, right and left RCA outputs and a mono subwoofer output for operating external amplifiers. If your subwoofer amplifier has 2 RCA inputs, simply use a male-to-male RCA Y adapter or splitter to connect your amp. And these are 2-volt RCA outputs. The brown jack here is the dedicated backup camera input. The DMH-241EX is designed for use with the optional ND-BC8 backup camera from Pioneer. The yellow port is the video output. And that is Pioneer's DMH-241EX. And what's in the box?